have any linen here?
In the front.
Let's go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Cap and then take off your hat?
I'm
gonna ask you, alright, as long as he doesn't say
I learned that and promptly forgot it.
I would love one. Is that all right?
We got sausage, we got no sausage, we got
God.
vegetables,
You
we
are
got
the best.
napkins.
I heard rumors of this, legends even.
It's a legend. It is
and
a legend.
I'm so glad it's true. I appreciate it. Thank you very
You're
much.
welcome.
I welcome you to this celebration of the accomplishments of the members of the Middlebury College class of 2010.
Help them to wisely choose what to embrace and what to reject, when to be patient and when to be insistent.
Mr. President, I have the honor to present for the degree of Doctor of Letters, Nicholas Kristoff and Cheryl Wu Dunn.
Let's have a show of hands here. How many of you would have been well behaved and just left the bugs in place? President Leibowitz, I think this is not the best behaved class in human history.
Kyle Goodenough. Jamie Harr. Mary Holmes.
Congratulations, class 2010. If you listen, you can hear it sounding good. For a helper to go in charge as the generations guard.